diced tuna, swordfish and salmon, and the creamy seasoning of the classic version. It's the seafood carbonara, and I'm ready to cook it with you. Let's start! There on the stove I've already placed hot water to cook pasta. In the meantime, we can deal with our carbonara creme. I'll pour the yolks in this bowl. Then I'll add the cheese. 1 grind of salt and 1 grind of pepper. Let's try not to let the salt reach the yolks. And finally, let's flavor it by stripping off some thyme leaves and mix everything. There's no need to incorporate too much here, so let's do it gently. Right, let's put the yolk creme aside and let's take care of the fish, sword, salmon and tuna. The 3 fish have been skinned and the bones removed. I'll dice them no bigger than 2 centimeters. You know, there's also a Tuscan version of this recipe, very popular in the area of Viareggio, with shellfish. And finally tuna. And while spaghetti are cooking, I'll take care of cooking the fish. I'll pour a drop of oil in a saucepan. I'll heat it with the clove garlic, and as soon as the bottom is hot, I'll add the diced fish. I let it sizzle at high temperature for a minute, stirring it. This way the cubes won't burn. Clove garlic out, and simmer with the white wine. I let alcohol cook off. I lower the temperature and fish the dices. Okay, the pasta is nearly done. I'll finish it directly in the pan. So I'll take a ladle of pasta water. I stir it up and I'll add some more pasta water, and then I'm going to stir it up again, so the starch will be released, and we are going to get the delicious creme we are looking for. Pasta's cooked. I move the counter and go immediately to dilute the creme of yolks with a drop of pasta water. I'll pour the mix over the pasta. And immediately the fish dices. Let's stir it quickly, otherwise the egg will cook into an omelette. If you keep stirring, the pasta will release starch and the mix will become creamier. Or you can adjust the consistency by adding more pasta water. I'm sure this seafood carbonara will conquer just about everyone. I'll link down below the photo recipe on GialloZafferano, where we'll find the ingredients, the doses and the procedure explained step by step. If you liked this video, please don't forget to leave a nice like. And if you have any questions to ask, leave them in the comments. If you haven't done it yet, I'd run to join the GialloZafferano channel to stay up to date on all the news. Did this recipe make you hungry? Cook it yourself and let me know.